Hi, if you have a 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 LE with a 4.0 engine, you may want to subscribe to my channel. I try to post at least once a week simple repairs that you can do yourself on your Land Rover. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Believe it or not, this helps me continue making these videos. Welcome back. Well, I wanted to share something with you that I found out while I was repairing my gas door. I don't have a key for my gas door. Anyway, I wanted to share with you something I found out. As you know, across the country, the gas prices have been going crazy. And if you're like me, you keep your eyes open to find the cheapest gas in town. Well, with the price of gas being high as it is, as you know, there's been a lot of people stealing gas. And of course, there's a lot of different ways they do it. And a lot of them steal gas professionally. They have a tank behind their pickup and they pull up and they drop a hose in and have an automatic pump it out. Anyway, getting back to my gas door, I wanted to share something with you that I found out while I was working on my gas door. How easy it is to steal gas from a 1998 Land Rover Disco 1. If someone wants to steal gas from your Land Rover, or let's say you lost your key, this is all you have to do to open your gas door. Watch. You take your fingers and wedge it on the lower left-hand corner and just push up, and lo and behold, it unlocks. And chances being, you have a gas cap that's tethered with no lock on it. Now, I wish I would have figured this out sooner because I just bought the darn gas cap and it doesn't have a lock on it. So what you want to do to prevent gas from being stolen from you, you want to exchange your gas cap for a locking gas cap, and that'll ensure if someone wants to open your door and steal your gas, they can't because you have a locking gas cap. Does that make sense? Anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video. That way you're aware of the chances of someone stealing gas from you. If you would like to learn how to remove your gas cap and replace it with a locking gas cap, watch the next 3 videos where I show you what do you do if you lose your gas door key. The second one is about how do you clean your gas fill compartment, and the third one is how to remove your gas cap and replace it with a new locking gas cap. Well, I hope to see you there. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.